Hi guys, welcome back to our channel BPO Coder. If you are new to the channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Today in this video, we are going to see how to create a cone bar stack chart in VBA Excel. So to create a cone bar stack chart in VBA Excel, we require the sample data over here. So this is the sample data from which I am going to create a cone bar stacked chart in VBA Excel. So first we will be seeing the output of a chart, and then we will be having a deep explanation and the understanding about the code written behind to create a cone bar stack chart. Now let's see the output first. So as you can see on the screen that this is our cone bar stack chart in VBA Excel. This is how our output is gonna look after writing few lines of code. So let's dive into our VBA editor and let's see what all codes has to be written and how these codes will help us to create a cone bar stack chart in VBA Excel. So as you can see on the screen that this is our VBA editor and this is the sub procedure to create a cone bar stack chart in VBA Excel, and this will be the entire code in which we are having an explanation, and we will be seeing what all codes and what these codes will do to create a cone bar stack chart in VBA Excel. So the first line of code which we are going to type is to select a single cell inside our data. So as you can see, this is my data and I've selected a single cell inside my data. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type active sheet.shapes.add chart2, and inside the brackets I'm going to give some parameters by separating a comma. Now let's see what are these parameters are. So the first parameter which we are going to give is the chart value. Each and every chart has its own value, and for our video to create a cone bar stack chart, we have the chart value of 2 over here. After that, we are going to give what type of chart we are going to build. So the chart type which we are going to build is Excel cone bar stack. Remember, in the VBA you have to type the chart type as Excel, which is XL cone bar stacked. After that, what we are going to give is we are going to give the top, left and width parameter to position and size our chart inside Excel. After that, we are going to close the brackets and then we are going to type dot select outside the bracket. So what this line of code will do is this line of code will create a cone bar stack chart in VBA Excel and select it. Now let's see how we can make that chart more presentable. So this line of code will only create and select the chart, but it won't be ready for presenting in front of our colleagues or our boss. Now let's see how we can make it more presentable like this as it is. So after this line of code, we are going to type a width block of code over here. Now let's see what this width block will do. So as you can see, we have created and selected a chart over here. So in the width statement, we are going to type width active chart. Once the chart is created and selected, it becomes an active chart. So that's why I've written the active chart over here. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to first set this title. This is our chart title. So to first set this chart title, what we are going to do is first we are going to inform the VBA that our chart has a chart title. Now how we are going to inform the VBA? That's simple. We are going to type dot hash title equals to true. Once you have written this line of code, your VBA understands, or the VBA editor understands, that our chart has a title and we are going to do something with it. After that, in the next line, we are going to type dot chart title dot text equals to, and in the double inverted comma we are going to give our chart title. So for this video, I have given my chart title as cone bar stack chart in VBA Excel. Now After this, if you want to change it or modify it as per your preference, then you can do it as well for your chart icon. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set some elements inside my chart. So as you can see, these are my elements which I'm going to set inside my chart. Now let's see what these elements are. So the first element which we are going to set inside our chart is to show the data labels. As you can see, each and every data point over here is labeled. So to show the data label of each and every point, we have to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element data label show. After that, what we are going to do is, in the next line, we are going to type the line of code to remove the grid lines. So as you can see that we have typed dot set element, and inside the bracket we have written MSO element primary value grid lines none. Once you have written this line of code, your grid lines will be disappeared from your chart, and it will make the chart more presentable. After that, what we are going to do is, in the next line, we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element data table with legend keys. Once you have written this line of code, what will happen is your data table, as you can see, the data table has been created inside your chart with the legend keys over here. So this will be created inside your chart. After that, as you can see, we have the data table and the data labels shown on our chart. So what we are going to do is, we are going to delete the value axis to make it more presentable and meaningful. So to do that, we are going to type dot axis, and inside the bracket we are going to type Excel value, and outside the bracket we are going to type dot delete. So this line of code will help us to delete our value axis from our chart. Now after that, in the next line, we are going to type end with. Now if you have followed till here, then congratulations, you have learned how to create a cone bar stack chart in VBA Excel. And if you want to learn more about the chart series in VBA Excel, then please do visit to our channel BPO Coder. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Now one more thing, that as you can see in the start of the video, we have created and selected a chart. Now to deselect a chart, we are going to select any empty cell inside our worksheet by using range and the cell address, and inside the brackets and double inverted comma, and the outside the bracket we are going to type dot select. Once you have written this, then your chart will be deselected. Now congratulations, you have learned how to create a cone bar stack chart in VBA Excel. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. For more such videos, please do visit to our channel BPO Coder. Till then, have a great day. Bye.